Easy, delicious kimchi fried rice. Let's go! Saute some bacon or other choice of meat with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and some spring onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Bacon, ham, spam and pork belly would be my choice, but any other meat is fine. And one thing to note is that if you're using non-seasoned meat, you might need to add a little bit of salt, but leave it to the end to taste. Once you've sauteed bacon, add 1 cup of chopped well-fermented kimchi, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, then saute for another 5 minutes. Although it's not essential to chop your kimchi like I did, but I think it's better to prepare everything into smaller pieces when making fried rice. When you have your kimchi base ready, add 2 cups of rice and mix it well. For any fried rice, it is best to use non-sticky cold rice. And remember to break down any rice clusters for evenly seasoned fried rice. Once the rice is evenly seasoned, you're basically done. But for today, I'll top it off with fried egg, cheese, and some spring onions. Lastly, remember to always salt to taste at the end. Saltiness will vary depending on what kimchi and meat you use. You can adjust saltiness by adding salt or rice, but if you are using store-bought kimchi and bacon like I did, you probably won't need to add any additional salt. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, click that thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching guys, and have fun cooking!